takeaway time. So, tapos na po yung ating pahayag chapter 8 sa pagbabasa po natin sa live. So, napakaikli lang po na mga, ano niya, so hanggang verse 13 lang po siya. So, what is our takeaway? Yung po, ako personally po, no, talagang lumilinaw sa akin na totoo yun. Wala sa time frame po natin yung pagdating ni Lord o yung judgment na tinatawag at yung revelation po kasi yun yung more on na meron talagang nakatakdang panahon o araw ang Diyos, no, para tayong lahat po ay kanyang i-judge o the Lord will judge everyone according to what we've done. So there po, sabi ko, there will be a day and the end will come. Surely, it's not your time, it's not my time, it's not everyone's time, but it's the time of the Lord. So, ngayon, ano po yung present na pwede natin gawin? Do right and live for the Lord because the Lord will judge us according to what we've done. So, yun po yung aking takeaway na lumilinaw talaga. We need to take responsibility. No? I-take natin yung responsibility natin. Especially, tayo po na nakaunawa at nakatanggap ng biyaya ng Lord. So, every people needs to be aware. Kailangan talagang marinig nila ang biyaya ng Lord. At kailangan lang po natin itong tanggapin. No? Paniwalaan, manampalataya. So, when we hear the word of God, at kapag kumatok si Lord, sabi niya, pagbuksan mo siya, allow the Lord to break our heart, and change us. No? So that, lalo nating maunawaan the reason why we are here, the purpose why we are here. Because God will judge us kung ano man yung mga decision na gagawin natin sa life po natin. But for me, I understand that I need to live for the glory of God. God bless po.